Hello guys, welcome to Tactile channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how you can make a KWL chart in Canva. So let's go to the browser first. Write here Canva and search to Google. Log into your Canva account with ID and password. After login, you'll find here a search bar. Just click and write KWL chart. Press enter. After pressing enter, you'll find many KWL chart here. Okay, so if you like one, just choose one. Sorry, KWL, not like this, but KWL. Here we can see the KWL chart. Just choose, and if you want to customize this one, click customize this template. Here's your template is ready to be customized. Now you can edit every portion you want. I'm going to show you how. So if you want to zoom this, just click on Control and up scroll from mouse. It will zoom like this. Here you can see KWL chart, what I know. You can double click and write here what you know. Sorry, not this. I'm changing the text color. What I know. You can write I know sorry, changing again. Like I'm writing here, I know a good guy. I know about philosophy. What I want to know. You can write here what you want to know. I want to know mathematics. If you want to change this, go here and you can change the font. Okay, what I have learned, you can write here I have learned. I have learned English. Okay, so you can change the background color also. If you don't like this, just go here and you can change it by blue or any color you want. That's up to you. Okay, so you can change the whole background color too. Just click on a space and go here, background color, sorry, color. You can change the colors. So after completing work, how you can download it, go here, share, and you'll find download. Click on download and you'll be suggested for file type. Just click on this and start downloading here. Okay, so you can send this work direct via mail to, just click on share. You'll find people with success, and you have to write here the email address whom you want to share with @gmail.com. Now, sorry, not this. You have to click collaborate link first, then make anyone with the link. Then you have to write the email address whom you want to share with @gmail.com. Now, if you click on send, this whole work will be sent to that email address. Okay, guys. So this is how you can make a KWL chart in Canva. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.